We have some problems on division of a whole number by a fraction. So let's take the first one. This is 12 divided by 3 over 4. Okay, this is a whole number and this whole number is being divided by a fraction. Now this will be 12. We know that invert and multiply method, where we first write the reciprocal of 3 by 3 over 4. So what will be the reciprocal of 3 over 4? Well, let me write it like this: 12 times multiplied by reciprocal of 3 over 4, right? The theoretical portion we have already discussed in our previous video. It's just for the problems only. This video tutorial is for problems. So this will become 12 times, what will be reciprocal of 3 over 4? Now the reciprocal of 3 over 4 will be, 4 is the denominator, make it numerator, divide by 3 is numerator, make it denominator, right? So this is 12 times 4 over 3. 12 times 4 over 3. Okay. Now this is a whole number times multiplied by 4 over 3, that's a fraction. So this will be 12 multiplied by 4, that is the whole number with the numerator, divided by 3, and this will be 48 divided by 48 over 3, 48 divided by 3. Now if you want to further simplify it, you can simplify it. Like if you divide this 48 by 3, you'll get 16, right? If you don't want to simplify it, even this is also correct. Let's take the second one. So the second one is 14 divided by 5 over 6. So this will be 14 multiplied by reciprocal of 5 over 6. Okay, so this will be 14 multiplied by, what will be reciprocal of 5 over 6? So if 6 is the new denominator, make it the numerator, divide by 5 is the numerator, make it the denominator, right? Now a whole number being multiplied with a fraction, so the whole number will be multiplied to the numerator, and this will be 5. Okay, and now this will become 84 by over 5. Now if you want to further simplify it, you can simplify it, and it will be, if we want to write it in the form of a mixed fraction, then this will be 80, so 16 4 over 5. So it's a mixed fraction representation of this 84 over 5. I'm not going to explain you how we did this because all these discussions we have already performed, right? Then third is 8 divided by 7 over 3. Now 8 divided by 7 over 3, this will be 8 multiplied by reciprocal of 7 over 3. This will be 8 multiplied by, what will be reciprocal of 3? So 3 is the denominator, make it the numerator, divide by 7 is the numerator, make it the denominator in this fraction. Now if you want to solve it, there's 8 will be multiplied with the numerator, so 8 multiplied by 3 divided by 7, and this will be 24 and 7. If you want to further simplify it, what you have to do is just divide 24 by 7. So if you divide 24 by 7, what will be the quotient, right? So quotient will be 3, right? What will be the remainder? So 7 times 3 is 21. 3 is the remainder, and then this 7 is written here. It's a mixed fraction representation of this one, 24 over 7. Okay. Then the fourth is 4 divided by 8 over 3. This will be 4 multiplied by reciprocal of 8 over 3. So this will be 4 times 8 over 3. Reciprocal of 8 over 3 will be 3 is the denominator, make it the numerator, and 8 is the numerator in this fraction, make it the denominator. Then 4 times 3 divided by 8, this is 12, and this will be 8. If you want to further simplify it, divide 12 by 8. So 8 times 1 is 8, and 4 will be the remainder, and 8 is already here. So it's a mixed fraction representation of this one. If you want to write it in the form of mixed fraction, or if you want to further simplify it, what will be the highest? This is a mixed fraction representation, and if you have to simply simplify it, so 12 over 8, what will be the highest common factor of 12 and 8? The highest common factor of 12 and 8 will be 4. So if I divide this numerator by that is 12 by 4, you'll get 3 divided by. If you divide this 8 by 4, you'll get 2. So this is a simplified form or version of this, and this is the mixed fraction representation of this particular fraction. This is the simplified version.